On February 22, 2022, at approximately 12:52 p.m., an ordinary afternoon in Stuart, Florida, descended into chaos when a black Kia Forte suddenly plowed through a crowded parking lot, striking multiple pedestrians before speeding away, setting off a tense pursuit by law enforcement.
My head telling me to do it.
What was that you just said?
I hear voices in my head telling me to do it.
Telling you to do what?
To kill people and to kill myself.
You have your license with you?
Yes, it's in my bag.
Get up against the car for me.
I hit someone at the fresh market
Why did you do that?
because I hear voices telling me to kill people. I hit them with my car at the fresh market.
Are you from around here?
Yes, I am.
From where?
From Stuart. I live right over there.
Right over where?
In Stuart.
Right over where?
Palm Beach Road.
Where's your license? You first?
Yeah.
Sure, you can slow everybody else down. Do you have any personal victims, or is it just property? Where? I'll go find out. Sir, 651 my number. Bravo 220 060 90876 I'll go find out at First Market. Beatrice, you don't live on Town Lakes Drive anymore?
No.
Where do you live now?
Right there.
At where?
Palm Beach Road.
Palm Beach Road?
Stuart, Florida 34994.
John, do you hear me? Yes. I'll go check. Beatrice, why don't you come over here with me, all right?
I have bipolar and schizophrenia.
Okay, come over here. Diagnosed with it?
Yeah.
Do me a favor, have a seat. Tough one.
You're engaged, right, to her?
Can you tell me what the police report says about
Yes. She went to the fresh market. She was down like one of the parking stalls, then just drove into all the people that were standing and sitting on the sidewalk, and then said that she wanted to kill them. Is that normal for her? Is that how long have you guys been together?
Since New Year's? The first 6 weeks, it was great. From her voice, she said that she was trying to kill them?
Yeah.
Really?
That I heard, yeah.
She said it to the...
Yeah, she said it multiple times.
Does she know these people?
No.
I'm going to get their approval and their blessings, because that's what Jesus would want me to do. And with God telling me and prophesies to me about this woman, we spent like $500 on Plan B. God told me that how much, sex we're, this relationship, I need to marry this woman. We'll talk throughout the whole day. I'm not with her. I call her reading the Bible to her.
Yeah.
It's like,
That was...
I sent through so much Bible verses in the last 2 weeks.
Stuart, who's the on-call? Who is the on-call? I'm going to need somebody to 56 with me out here. And if you could notify X-Ray 1 as well. Is this hot coffee? Born in 90. Beatrice, are you okay? Do you need a doctor or anything?
Yes, I need a doctor.
Okay. What do you need a doctor for?
Because I keep hearing voices in my head.
She's saying that she needs a doctor because she hears voices in her head.
Well, that's
So
not a
she
reason
was
to go to the hospital yet.
Okay. Precautionary, no?
Not yet.
Just to see if she needs medical?
Yeah. She's on this side. You want to just open this?
Oh,
Roll it?
John, can you turn your mic on?
Yeah, it's on. How you doing?
I'm doing okay.
What's going on?
I went to Fresh Market and I just ran people over because I've been hearing voices in my head telling me to kill myself and to kill people.
Okay.
So I did it.
And what did you do at Fresh Market, you're saying?
I ran people over with my car
On purpose.
on purpose.
You know how many people?
I don't know how many people.
Okay, there's people out there. Do you know how fast you were going?
I think maybe like 30 miles an hour.
Okay. And
But I accelerated so as hard as I could.
Okay. And did you injure yourself at all?
No, I'm not injured.
Okay.
But I want to go jump off the bridge.
Okay. Well, you're obviously the police officers are gonna get you the help that you need. You know, I'm here from the fire department just to see if you have any injuries.
I don't have any
Do you
injuries.
take any medication for anything?
Yes, I take trileptal for bipolar and ziprasidone Geodon for schizophrenia.
So those are two things that you've been diagnosed with? Do you have any other medical problems?
I'm anemic.
You take anything for that?
Iron.
Just pills?
Just iron pills.
Yeah.
Iron supplement.
All right. And how often do you take your medication?
I've been taking it, but I've been stopping taking it.
Like you're not taking it like you're supposed to?
Yeah, I took my medication, but I stopped taking it on the weekends
For what reason?
because I would go to see my boyfriend on the weekends, and I didn't want him to know I had the condition.
Can you advise on any airways?
So when was the last time you took your medicine?
This morning.
But then you take it during the week, but you skip on the weekend? Okay. But you took it this morning.
Sometimes I skip it.
How often do you see your doctor?
I have a psychiatry appointment tomorrow.
When was the last time you saw him?
December.
And was everything good then?
I didn't tell him a lot that I've been going through, what I've been going through.
Okay. Hold on 1 second, okay?
So,
All right, I'll see you in a little bit. See you. You want me to wait? Good. Dean can take the 911 hang up and advise the signal 4 that's going to have to wait.
Is that the minute? And turn off.
Beatrice,
Yes?
I'm gonna bring you in the back, okay?
Okay.
I'll go walk her back. Do you need this?
Nope, I already got a problem. Is your car locked?
Yeah, I locked it. And I got her phone.
Can you just check her midsection real quick?
Okay, real quick. It's fine. I'll let Sergeant write it for me, okay?
are showing replacement, just want to make sure. Got another time rush.
Stay right there.
That one.
Give me a second, so I can unlock it. Got a seat. Who was she searched by? Okay. Alright. Hold on. If you lean forward a little bit, there's a seatbelt. That's right. Alright, lean forward. There you go. I'm gonna try to get this here. Here. Sorry, this thing's a pain. Alright. Alright.
How late are you staying, Matt?
However late you need me.
Tell me what time you come in.
I can't come until 1, so.
I'll stay until he clears at least. That way there, just in case he shows up, we have somebody else here.
Alright.
The first 28 that is replaced by 02 Bravo Charlie Mike Yankee.
Stewart 166 with 1 female. Yeah, I got it. Thank you. All right. About her.
You're gonna go in there, watch your steps going up.
Yes.
So these are her numbers for.
Show anything else on the other property?
Not that I know of. She was searched by a female, I believe, before. So, but she doesn't look like her clothing is very tight fitting, so I don't believe. I gotta check back here.
Can you call us if you can maintain 2 pops? Somebody can step out.
That one.
At this moment in time? No. No. I want oxycarbazepine and well-curated. Twice a day. And iron. Iron's up.
Alright, we're gonna go up here, watch your steps going up.
I'm just squeezing it.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I guess.
Alright, I'll take this off you, switch the hand, one's
You can take the cuffs off.
Alright. Okay. Karma. Throw these numbers up here.
Absolutely.
Alright.
What size shoes you wear, man?
Size 7.5.
7.
Spread your feet. Man, spread your feet. and bend forward at the waist so I can take these off. When I take your handcuff off, put your hand on top of the counter, flat, okay?
Okay.
So when I take this one off, right up on the counter there. Thank you, ma'am. Same thing with this hand. Alright, thank you, ma'am.
You have any jewelry on there? Any jewelry?
No.
Watch your hands coming up. Keep your hands on the counter. You have no jewelry on? Nothing in your pocket for
What pharmacy do you use to verify medications?
The one on East Ocean Boulevard.
Walgreens?
Walgreens. Walgreens on East Ocean Boulevard.
Thank you.
Alright, I need to say, just, you didn't come in with no personal property, but it's just your black slides, your pants you have on, and your shirt. That's all you signed for.
Okay.
Right here and right here?
This is a wig.
Okay, but is it weaved in or
It comes off.
it does come off? Alright, you can take it off then. Alright.
Assalamualaikum.
At least, absolutely.
You know what?
Absolutely. I'll put that with your personal stuff. Thank you, send that.
Mail, Kevin and Lucy will be walking out.
Yeah, I want to wait for the.
Yeah, fine.
Right there, man. That's how you know you came in with nothing else. I have Deputy Locke right here. He should just go into start do the pap service for you.
Okay.
Just keep your hands on the counter for me, okay?
There's A2's coming down.
Okay. Yeah.
This isn't all female. This is female, right?
Yeah. It's not all, but you will be with all females, yes, absolutely. Absolutely. All right, this is what I want you to do. This is your numbers for you to call? Your
Yes.
people? So you keep this on you, you're good with this. You're gonna come with me right here, come here. Just have a seat here for 1 minute.
As investigators pieced together the events of that harrowing afternoon, a chilling confession from the driver exposed a deeply unsettling motive that turned a reckless act into something far more disturbing.